Hello guys, this is going to be a short video on how to download mysql. So first, let's know what is mysql. MySQL is one of the most popular relational database management software that is widely used in today's industry. It provides multi-user access support with various storage engines. It is backed by Oracle company. In this section, we are going to learn how we can download and install MySQL for the beginners. So let's get started. First, you should open your Chrome. You can type download MySQL or developer.mysql/downloads. Here you can see download MySQL installer. You can click on here. The first one, the Windows 32-bit MSI installer, you can download that. It will say to login, but you don't have to log in. Just there is a text called no thanks, just start my download. You can click on here and your download will be started. That is the MySQL installer you are downloading. Now after finishing the download, click on here. It will ask you to give some permission. You just give. Then again. Here now it is starting. So first window will be choose your setup type. You choose on full and continue. Now click on the next again. You still have to select the path. Yes. Now this will for product. You can then start again, next again. Then execute this. Now this may take some time depending on your internet speed and your computer speed. Some may show some errors. Don't worry, just click on try again. In the next step, we need to configure the MySQL server and the router here. Here I am going to configure the router because there is no need to use it with MySQL. We are going to show you how you configure the server only. Now click on the next button. click on the execute button. This may take a few minutes. We just have to wait for this. Now just click on the next button. We'll just click on the next. Okay. Now here will config type development computer. There is no need to change anything. Just next and next again. And current root password. Root. This will ask you a root password. Just give your root password. Okay, then click on the next. Click on the next again. Execute. Now click on the finish. Next. Finish. Next. Now, if you have to remember this password, give your password very carefully. Now click on the next button. In this next, select the applied configuration and click on the execute button. Click on the execute button. Click on the finish. Click on the next. Finish. So now your MySQL program is successfully installed. After this, you can just go to back, and there is MySQL. There is your main window. You can just close it now, go to window. There will be your command line, cell and other workbench. Click on here, click on any of the database, and here you can see your database. So that's it for today, guys. Again, we're gonna make a video on how to create tables in database. That will be a separate video. So just make sure you subscribe to the channel, or if you haven't dropped any comment or like, just do that. For that, bye bye. I will see you again in the same like videos.